In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the shipping addresses from your Amazon account without having to remove each one individually. Now, to do that, we're going to use a Chrome extension that I created, and the way it is delivered is it will be delivered as a zip file, a zipped folder. So when you get the folder, which should appear in your downloads once you download it from me, you're going to use right-click and extract all, in this case on Windows, and that will actually extract the folder, all right, the folder of the actual Chrome extension into your downloads folder, which you'll see right here. And then what you'll do is go either to this extensions icon here and then manage extensions, or you can also use the three dots over here and go to extensions there as well and manage extensions, either way. And once you get here, you do need to turn on the developer mode so that you can load or upload the extension. So you click on load unpacked, and right in the downloads folder where I unzipped the file, you should find it here. Delete Amazon shipping addresses, select folder, and there we have it. Okay, you see the Chrome extension. Okay, so the Chrome extension is not available on the Google market. You can't Google it. You have to get it through a link in the description of this video, and you'll install it in the manner that I just demonstrated, by the way. And now you'll click here and you will go ahead and pin. I'm going to go ahead and pin this Chrome extension just as I do with all my Chrome extensions. And then you'll go ahead and click on it, and it's called delete Amazon shipping addresses. You'll click this run workflow button, and the first thing is that you'll have to specify where you want it to start. So let me actually run that again. Okay, you're going to have to specify where you want it to start. So the default is 3. Let me explain what that means. Okay, that's the address position. So if you count this first one, which is usually your default address, this is your second one, this is your third one. Now, these are just some artificial addresses I just made up using some famous names and just, you know, and some random addresses that I entered through Amazon. Okay, just so you know. And it's going to start, if I tell it to start on number 3, then it will start here and start deleting, right? But I can also change it, but I'm going to go ahead and start with number 3 and click on run. I usually do 3 because a lot of times there are 2 addresses here that you might want to keep. Let's say I want to keep number 1 and number 2, so it'll just start with number 3 and it'll delete through there. Now, it doesn't work right here. What it does rather is it navigates to the page where your addresses are. So you don't even have to be on the address screen, by the way, for this to work. As you can see, it automatically opened itself up to your address screen. And as you can see, it's now removing the addresses on its own. Right, so everything from that third address on will be removed. As you can see, they're all gone. So whether you have 30 or 40, it really doesn't matter. You can ignore this error. That's because it has no more. It's trying to delete something that's no longer there, and so that's nothing, right? It's done, right? Something I can try. I haven't actually tried this. I could also try seeing if I could delete number 2, but I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it this way because, you know, in some cases you may actually have 2 addresses here that you want in these first 2. So just deleting the third address and so on. So if you want to get a copy of this Chrome extension so you can install it to your browser, to your Chrome browser, and actually use it, you can go ahead and do that through a link in the description of this video and do it exactly the way I demonstrate in this video. You can also contact me. I have contact information that I provide in the process of you downloading this Chrome extension. This is Mr. Mark, and I hope you enjoy this video and make use of this tool.